Hey there, today I have a mix and match box to unbox. And this is my third time trying mix and match and actually my second time doing the take a chance box. So if you're not familiar with mix and match, it is another one of those online styling services where you have a personal stylist send you, in this case, it's 4 items of clothing and it's for a flat rate that you pay up front of $105.99. And the retail value of the 4 items is at least $175 with this box. They also have another option called the Go For It box, which is more similar to Stitch Fix, where I think they'll send you like 6 or 7 items of clothing, and then if you purchase at least, I think 5, you get 25% off. I did do an unboxing for the Take a Chance last month, and I'll put a card up above with a link to that video. I'll also put information in the description box below, along with my referral link in case you want to use it. So my box this month is actually a pretty big box for 4 items of clothing. And I've had some email communication with my stylist, Alexis, and she's the same stylist that I had for my other 2 mix and match boxes. Okay, so here is the inside of the box, and you'll see they do a nice job with their packaging, and they always have it nicely bundled. There's an envelope that has all of their information. So there's also a prepaid mailer envelope in case you want to send anything back. So even though you do prepay the Take a Chance box and it's $105.99, you are able to return things. So if, say, you don't like anything in your box, you send everything back, they will deduct a $25 styling fee, but you'll get refunded the rest of the money. If you, say, buy only 1 item, like maybe a top, it'll convert to its retail value. So say if it was like $30 or something, then you would be refunded the difference between like the $105.99 and $30. So anyway, so that's I think how it works, but you are able to return if you really don't like it. So in the box there's an invoice, and again the amount was $105.99. It also has an itemized invoice that has all of the items that are in my box this month. So I did get 4 items of clothing, and the total for all of the items is $194. So that is a very good deal. So that is definitely more than 40% off. And then also I have a note from my stylist, who is Alexis, and it's a really long note. So I won't read it to you, but I am gonna go ahead and read it myself. So this is my second box of 3, so I'm gonna get 1 more after this of the Take a Chance. She said that of the styles that she sent me, I actually chose 2 of the 4 styles, because I had specifically asked for these white Liverpool jeans that I saw Southern Yankee. She did an unboxing, I think it was last month, and she got these white Liverpool jeans that she really likes. So I've been looking for white jeans for a while. So I thought, you know what, maybe I'll just request those. So another thing I did was I looked on their Facebook page, and I actually liked some of the items, but she's saying that I guess one of the styles that I had liked did not get positive feedback from some of her clients, so she didn't send it. So anyway, so I'm pretty excited. To be honest, I've been really happy with items I've gotten from Mix and Match so far. I do think it's a great service, and the price point, if you are looking for something as an alternative to Stitch Fix, I think it is a great alternative item. So, okay, so let's go ahead and break open this beautiful little bundle, which is actually so pretty. And also, by the way, this top that I'm wearing, I got it last month in my Mix and Match. And I'm sorry my voice is a little froggy today. I have a cold. Just got back from Vegas and LA, and every time I fly, I kind of end up getting sick right after, so that's what's going on. Okay, so first off, the first item that I see are the Liverpool jeans, the ones that I mentioned, that I requested, and she said they're a very popular style. So it's the Liverpool, and it's in a size 6. It's the penny ankle skinny in bright white, 6 petite actually, with a 26 inseam. So actually this will be perfect because with this inseam, it should be just the right length for me. So that's the first item, and the retail price on this is $89. So that's like the majority of the $105.99. Okay, so I got that. And the second item looks like a very casual top. It's by LIS, and oh, it has polka dots on the back, and it kind of has like this, kind of like, what is that called, burnout tee in the front. So yeah, it's very cute. And I think actually, as she was saying, it could go with the white jeans, and it is very cute. Okay, next, it's from GILLI. It's a blue stripe short sleeve shirt and size medium. Oh, okay, this is cute. And I do like striped shirts. And this is just like a very basic t-shirt. And it looks like it's navy, and it has kind of a ribbed fabric. So yeah, very cute, very basic. And I actually love stripes. Okay, and last is a dress. Wow, okay, so this is also by GILLI. So I got two things from GILLI. It's a purple halter dress with multicolor floral design and keyhole. Okay. So here it is, and it has a very pretty print. It's a very dark, almost like a navy, and the retail on this is $45. But yeah, very pretty. I'm gonna definitely see how it looks. Okay, so that was everything I got in my April Mix and Match Take a Chance box. So now I'll go and try everything on and see how it looks. Okay, so here is the first top with the white Liverpool jeans. And I have to say, these jeans are really, really a good, perfect fit. They're the perfect length. They're mid-rise, so they're not high-rise, but mid-rise. And they are very nice, I think. I think these are a great pair of white jeans. Stretchy, they're skinny, and they're thick enough so they're not sheer. And okay, and like here is the top, the first top, and it's cute. It's got a pocket with the, see, with the polka dot, and then the polka dot in the back. And I would say it's a little bit sheer, but it's not too bad. I don't think you need to wear a tank top underneath. But yeah, I think it's cute. Okay, so here is the second top, and it's just a basic t-shirt, and it's ribbed. It has a stripes, navy, and so it's a kind of a thicker material, and it's on the shorter side, so it's not like a tunic or anything, but it's not too short. And I think it's a little longer in the back. So I think it looks cute with these white jeans, and so I just thought I'd style it with a denim jacket. This denim jacket goes with everything. Okay, so there's the look with the denim jacket. And I think that's actually a pretty cute outfit. Okay, so here is the dress. And sorry, I didn't change bras, but you'd probably need a strapless bra with this. But it's really a cute dress, actually. I think so. And I think it's a flattering cut. And it has kind of a little ruching, I would say, at the waist. It's really cute, actually. And then let's try it with my favorite, actually my only denim jacket. I think I have it in like almost all my unboxing videos. And I'll put a link below in case anyone's interested in it. I got it at Nordstrom, and it's cut from the cloth. So there you go. And I think that looks really, really cute, actually, with this dress. Okay, so I think this final thoughts. I think this month was another win for me for Mix and Match box. So basically, for $105.99, I got a dress that's very pretty, and I actually really like it. When I pulled it out of the box, I was kind of on the fence. But once I put it on, I thought it was actually very flattering and very pretty. And so I got a dress, a pair of coveted white jeans from Liverpool, kind of a cute casual weekend top t-shirt, and a very versatile striped t-shirt. So I thought that was another great box. So far, I think I've gone 2 for 2 for the Take a Chance box. I mean, math-wise, with the Take a Chance box, overall, it's hard to lose, I think. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought of the clothes that I got this month. Also, there's been several people who have signed up using my referral link, and every time somebody signs up, I do get a credit for $5, but it doesn't say who signed up. But for those of you who have signed up, I just want to thank you very much. Do appreciate it. So anyway, but that's all I have for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of unboxing videos. I actually just recently ordered a Wantable box, so that should be coming soon. But anyway, thanks again. Bye now.